In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign on Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you remove a campaign so you can keep your account clean and focused. First, open your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and have the right access level to make changes. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the account name at the top to avoid deleting something from the wrong place. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Campaigns. This takes you to a dashboard where all of your campaigns are listed. Here you'll see the campaigns you've created, along with key details like status, budget, and performance. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Google Ads updates its interface from time to time. If you don't immediately see campaigns, expand the main menu using the icon in the top left corner. Now, identify the campaign you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking its name and status. Removing a campaign stops it from serving completely and is generally permanent, so it's a good idea to be sure. If you think you might want to resume it later, consider pausing it instead. But if you're ready to remove it, hover over the row and look to the far left of the campaign name. Click the checkbox next to the campaign you want to delete. You can select just one campaign or multiple if you intend to remove more than one at once. After selecting, look for the Edit option above the table. It usually appears as a button or a drop-down menu. Click Edit, then choose Remove. Google Ads may ask you to confirm the removal. Go ahead and confirm, and the campaign will be moved to a removed state. It will no longer run or accrue costs. The historical data remains in your account for reporting, but the campaign itself can't be reactivated once removed. If you spot a mistake immediately, look for the on-screen undo prompt that sometimes appears right after the change. To recap, open your Google Ads account, click Campaigns, find the campaign you want to remove, select the checkbox beside it, click Edit, and then click Remove. That's all there is to it. Take your time to verify you've selected the correct campaign and consider pausing instead of removing if you're unsure. Keeping your account tidy helps keep your reporting clear and your budget focused on what matters.